is a video on class 7 mathematics chapter 2 integers, and in this part we are going to continue with exercise 2.2. So question number 7, using the number line find the sum of the following. Number A 6, 9. So in the number line, first from 0 we'll move from 0 to 6 and then we'll move 9 steps to the right hand side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 15. So let us recheck it. 6 plus 9 equals to 15. Minus 5 and plus 5, again from 0 to plus 5 and then move left hand side. Since it's minus 5, so we'll move left hand side towards the left hand side from 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 0. So minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0. Next, number E, we have 5 comma minus 2 minus 1 from 0. So in the number line, first we'll move from 0 to 5. Okay, then we'll move minus 2, that is we'll move towards the left hand side. So 1 2, again minus 1, so we'll move 1 step towards the left hand side. So 1. So the answer is 2. So let us recheck. 5 plus minus 2 in the bracket plus minus 1 in the bracket. So 5 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Next, question number 8. Find the value of. So we have minus 5 minus minus 15. So minus 5 minus 5. So just removing the bracket, we have written minus 5 minus minus plus 15. So minus 5 is minus 10 plus 15, that is equal to plus 5. Number C, 30 minus, within the bracket we have minus 12 plus 15. So 30 minus 12 plus 15 is plus 3. So 30 minus 3 is 27. Next, number D, 15 minus, within the bracket we have minus 4 plus 3 minus minus 4. So 15 minus, so minus 4 plus 3 minus plus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled and we have only 3 inside the bracket. So 15 minus 3. So 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Question number 9. A person reported that the coldest day on record for his town was 2 times colder than yesterday's temperature, minus 8 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of the coldest day on record in his town? So temperature recorded yesterday equals to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature of the coldest day on record is twice this temperature. So 2 into minus 8, that is minus 16 degree Celsius. Moving on to question number 10. In a city, on a day, the temperature recorded was 136 degree Fahrenheit. On another city, on that day, the temperature of minus 50 degree Fahrenheit was recorded. What is the difference between the two temperature? So temperature of one city equals to 136 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature of another city equals to minus 50 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, difference in both temperatures is equal to 136 minus 50. So 136 minus plus 50 is equal to 186 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 11. Two candidates at a quiz competition completed one round of quiz. The first candidate had a score of plus 5 and the second candidate had a score of minus 2. How many more points did the first candidate score? So score of the first candidate equals to plus 5. Score of the second candidate equals to minus 2. Therefore, difference in this score equals to 5 minus 2. So 5 minus plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, the first candidate scored 7 marks more. This is the end of exercise 2.2. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.